So here's how I just earned $400 before lunchtime from a video that took me less than 1 minute to create. And more importantly, this is how you can do the exact same thing. So what I did was created a 15-second video. It took me less than 1 minute to create this video. I didn't even show my face in the video. I didn't mention my name or anything like that. Literally what I did was point my phone camera, that's right, the phone that I'm holding to record this video, I just pointed the camera at my computer screen. And I created a 15-second video advertising a product. Not one of my products, somebody else's product. And at the end of this 15-second video, I said go to this website if you want to check it out. Now since posting this video today, I posted it on TikTok, I posted it on Instagram Reels, and I posted it on YouTube Shorts. Between those three platforms, the video has been viewed over 3,000 times just in the first 4 or 5 hours since I posted it. Now, in addition to being viewed several thousand times, I made a sale. And that one sale earned me $400. How is that possible? Well, I earn 40% commission on everything I sell through this link. So that means somebody bought a product that was, they spent $1,000 on this product. Out of that $1,000, I get $400 for 1 minute of work. Now what's so beautiful about this process is you don't need to be anything special. Like I said, I didn't show my face. I've actually been staying at a campground for the past week. So this morning, at a campsite, I uploaded a video. It took me 1 minute to do it, and it earned me $400. Now I have the rest of the day to spend enjoying my life, doing whatever I want to do. I'm probably going to go fishing in a little bit. But the thing is, I make sales like this every single day. And you can too. But only if you start posting short form video content. So if you want the blueprint on exactly how I create these videos that get me views, thousands of views every single day with just a few minutes worth of work, I can't wait to show you. Click the button down below, howtorank.com/TT, and in less than 2 hours from now, you'll know exactly how I do it. You'll have the blueprint to repeat the process, and most importantly, I'm going to give you like 20 of my best hooks. That is, hooks that I use to start the video, so at the very beginning of the video, as soon as someone clicks on it, they're hooked and they have to watch till the end. So what you promote with this is up to you. If you want to promote affiliate offers like I do, if you want to promote your own products, if you have a local business, if you just want to get a bunch of fans on social media so that you can figure out what you want to do in the future. Hey, whatever it is you want to do, what I can do is help you get thousands of views on your video each and every single day and show you how to turn those views into leads and sales so that you can start doing exactly what I did today, earning $400 before lunchtime from something that took you 1 or 2 minutes to create. So if that sounds good, I'll see you inside the training down below, howtorank.com/TT. Peace.